Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me again today. I'll be working on wyvern, which is, for those of you who don't know, it's my attempt at simplifying the Dracon diagramming language a little bit. I'm back from my holidays, and I think I'm back for a good while now. I don't have anything else planned for the foreseeable future. As you can see, my image is getting rebuilt now. Well, I think it's the image is done. We're just installing Cabal. Oh no, the image is not done yet, I think. Let's see. Yes, the Cabal is a part of the build. It's not running yet. Anyway, it looks like this is going to take a little while to compile. So what I would like to start focusing on today is to introduce a CLI to wyvern. Up until now, I've been working with this main module, main function, that just reads a hard-coded input file. I believe we can do better and provide that as an input through the CLI. So I hope you have your coffee ready, or tea, or whatever the drink of your choice could be. I still have my reasonably fresh coffee. And let's get started. I played with this for a while, but I believe we can just check it out. And I'll just prepare my branch for this issue. This is taking a long time. I hope it works. Something must have happened since I last built this image. -1. I don't think I can do much now. Well, maybe I can. So let us introduce the render arguments. Oh yeah, it is progressing slowly. Let's introduce a new module. And that's, I believe, a good use of our time while the image is getting ready. So we used to have, so I'm copying the CLI input arguments from the Dracon renderer, which wyvern originates from. Here, we'll change this a little bit, but for now, it looks like the image is ready and it's running as a container. let us build. I hope it doesn't take too much time. So in the old version of Dracon Render, we had something like a layout output path. We no longer use it. Input path. This is going to be naturally SVG output path, balanced paths. We don't need that. I remember going through a lot of stuff with the previous versions of the rendering engine. Therefore, I needed those output files. Now, I don't really. Maybe we'll restore them at some stage, but for now, I think we're fine. And we are actually building now. Let's modify the Cabal file. Okay, and so there's a separate parser for those arguments. If everything is right, Ormolu should format this. Oh yeah. So we have input path. We don't need this. Path to input. For now, it's txt. Maybe it will change in the future. Path to output. I believe that's it. Of course, we need to introduce the parser, but now let's introduce the parser. Oh, that's the library options applicative. So we have short, metavar, help. Do we have long? Yes. String option, yes. Parser. And now let's also verify the Cabal file to check which package this is coming from. I think this is it. Let's just build it to be sure. Output parse applicative, yes. Thank you. That works. So now let's see where this was used. Is the formatting really working? It is, okay. I thought I was going crazy. That is not a definite proof, but it makes my mind at ease for the moment. So what we need in the main file is input arguments. And now we just need to use this. So our main function, let's get rid of it for now. Let's replace it with input arguments parsing. Hello world. Okay, perfect. So what we need is exec parser. Where's this? Okay. Exec parser and process is what? Print. I don't remember what those are, so I'll just do wyvern 1, wyvern 2. Let's make sure we have all the imports. Exec parser, full description header, helper, info is used where? Here, okay. And probably program description. Let's build. Oh, can we do this? Oh. So this is probably going to return a problem. Okay. Usage. Wyvern 1. Where's Wyvern 2? Oh, so while we're at it, this is input, this should be output. And in main, so this is fine. Now, and the run here, run Wyvern. And the output, oh, output is in constants. No, we don't want that. Let's try running it like this. It should complain. Let's see how to pass arguments to this. Minus, minus. I should complain about the output path. And more. Yeah, missing output path. Ah, this is the header. Do we just remove it? I think so. Okay. So this is not too bad. Here we can just add the output path. I'll remove it just for now. And let's run it. Perfect. So now I can just marry the two. Can I do that? No? Okay. So we don't need to print it anymore. But it would be good to extract its values. Let's see how other modules do that. I'm terrible at syntax. So for now, let's just do a plain function. Oh. do we do? That's not it, is it? Oh, that's a record. Haskell 101. Okay, so let's now try to marry the two. All right. Looks like we've just rendered it. Okay. That works. All right. I'll PR this off camera, but yeah, our CLI is working and implemented. It wasn't bad at all. It wasn't too much work, I think. So I would like to thank you all for your attention today. In upcoming sessions, we'll probably be getting ready. Oh, you know what? Let me actually transition back to the code. And the upcoming sessions will be going through those first-time user experience issues in preparation for our first milestone. And this is the public announcement. I would like to announce Wyvern to a wider audience, maybe to the Haskell Weekly, or maybe on Reddit, or maybe on LinkedIn, and get some feedback from people. After all, this should not be only useful to me. I want to write this for the community to use and to contribute to. Yeah, fingers crossed I don't get destroyed, but I don't think I should. Right. Eagerly awaiting all those issues to be worked on and resolved. Probably the upcoming days and maybe even weeks leading to the public announcement will be a little bit slower and not so focused on Haskell. After all, we have a lot of README changes, so this is Wyvern syntax mostly. Maybe we'll come up with new issues for Wyvern, and also there will be a bit of Docker/Bash in order to prepare a minimal runtime for Wyvern, so that people can just experiment with their randomly generated syntax straight into containers. And maybe I'll even publish an image, but I don't want to promise that. Right, this time. Thank you all very much for watching today, for your continued attention, and for sticking with me. I wish you a fantastic day or night ahead, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.